Announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 543, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Cecil, Maryland, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland.
Thank fuck it's for these places.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 543 has been issued from 11:40 a.m. until 7 p.m. for the following county: Cecil, Maryland, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Here is the regional weather forecast. For the Philadelphia metropolitan area, rest of today, partly sunny. Showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms this afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and small gale this afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. Southwest wind 10 to 15 miles per hour.
Okay. Wow, I need to get new batteries for this guy though, but... That's good to look at. I got a day in for me, huh? Holy fuck.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Carroll County in northwestern Maryland, northern Harford County in northern Maryland, northwestern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, northwestern Cecil County in northeastern Maryland until 2:45 p.m.
Whatever.
At 1:53 p.m., a severe
Hey, it went off for 10:50. This counts. My radio went off. This counts. Bro, my nose is so stuffy you can just hear it. This counts. You can tell. But anyways, I am pretty happy the zone guard has 1050, because then I can go off for this and then I can count it as an EAS. I found a loophole. It's not a loophole, it's just, I mean, I'm happy it does it. I can also get more Eton radios if I wanted to. I'm probably gonna get an FR370 at one point. So yeah, I'm definitely looking to do that at one point. I'm watching the Eagles game. They're winning 10-0 right now. Wrong. Carroll was in that. And no, they did it already. Oh. I'm going to keep this. Alright, yeah, never mind. Alright. Yoink. Alright, well, EAS number 1049, bitches. Oh, it's so much louder. I love it.
Until 3:15 p.m. At 2:47 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 11 nautical miles northwest of Pea Patch Island, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Pea Patch Island.
What?
You are listening to NOAA Weather.
Short Marine warning. What the fuck? Oh, you bitches.
Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor until 3:45 p.m. At 2:51 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 30 nautical miles northwest of Back River to 18 nautical miles west of Middle River to 19 nautical miles northeast of Key Bridge, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
They're moving at 60 miles an hour.
Radar indicated.
They're moving at 60 miles an hour. Goddamn.
Be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Smallwood State Park, Turkey Point, North Point State Park, Hartmiller Island, Gunpowder River, Northeast River, Bodkin Point, Pools Island, Dunford Knoll, Pacific Island, and Aberdeen Proving.
Get open.
Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
There we go.
The following river
Okay.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, northern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 3:45 p.m.
Oh, it just went past me!
3:20 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Willingboro, or 13 miles east of Philadelphia, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Ben Salem, Willingboro, Lumberton, Burlington, Burlington, Bristol, Riverside, Bordertown, Beverly, Powdertown, Timberton, Whitetown, Florence, Six Flags, Big Farnell, Jacksonville, Georgetown, Nashville, Woodland, and Cedar Glen Lakes. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 5 and 7A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 358 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 35 and 39. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 13 and 19. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 39 and 57. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following county: Bucks, Pennsylvania, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Monmouth, and Ocean. Here is the regional weather for the southern Poconos this afternoon. Storms may.
I'll have this thing off for weeks. I get it.
Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Chance of
Christ.
rain 70%. Tonight, mostly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. A chance of showers. A chance of thunderstorms, mainly in the evening.
Okay. Fuck!
Severe thunderstorm warning for northern Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, north central Cumberland County in
Just
southern
issue
New
a
Jersey,
big,
east
huge
central
one.
Salem County
It's the
in
same
southern New
storm
Jersey,
line.
southwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, Camden County in southern New Jersey,
retarded.
Gloucester
Fuck.
County in southern New Jersey, southern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over
go off,
Gloucester, or 14 miles south of Gloucester City, moving
Yeah,
east
you
at
did.
55 miles per hour.
Good.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Vineland, Deptford, Thornhees, West Deptford, Glassboro, Lindenwold, Hamilton, Woodbury, Pittman, Clayton, Berlin, Tabernacle, Shimone, Paulsboro, Lena, Magnolia, Egg Harbor City, Woodstown, Alloway, and Tuckerton. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near Exit 2. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 13 and 21.
Fine,
Garden
120.
State Parkway between mile markers 49 and 58. Atlantic City Expressway.
No relaxing for me when I try to lay down like this.
For your protection, move to an interior.
120 goes all static when I get up. Back to normal.
Is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Ocean, and Salem.
Make up your mind.
Here is the regional weather forecast. For the Philadelphia metropolitan area, this afternoon, showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and small...
And small. Fuck. Oh, that was funny. Okay. Okay, alright. Next storm is probably in a few minutes.
Special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Eastern Bay, until 6 p.m. At 4:36 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 10 nautical miles west of Deal, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Parsons Island, Kent Narrows Bridge, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Miles River, Highland Beach, Roman Coat, Bloody Point Light, Mattapeake, Thomas Point Light, Shadyside, Mayo, Deal, and Annapolis. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the area. Severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Kent County and central Delaware, northeastern Talbot County in eastern Maryland, southeastern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, central Caroline County in eastern Maryland, until 6 p.m. At 5:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Y Mills, or 7 miles south of Centerville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Denton, Greensboro, Oakland, Ridgely, Goldsboro, Queen Anne, Star, Skipton, Jumptown, Y Mills, Sandtown, Cordova, Hillsboro, and Henderson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: Kent, Delaware, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Queen Anne's, and Talbot. The following